Hello, viewers. We have an amazing news for you. We told you something is cooking, but guess what? What we have is mind blowing. Get ready to be excited. Indeed, you can see from the background. I'm not going to show you much of it. I'm not going to tell you much of it, but don't worry, it's going to be amazing. Stay tuned for it. Don't be missed out.
We've heard your requests. We've heard all of the things that you guys been asking for. You guys been asking for plenty of space. You guys been asking for land that you can call your own, that you can like move around in and really settle into as a diaspora. And we have that space for you. Get ready, guys, because this place that we have for you is a surprise, but we're going to come back with more information on it, and it's going to blow your socks off. So get ready. Get prepared and welcome home.
Hey guys, so we are out here today on a beautiful property that we have that's a surprise for you guys. But I wanted to come on really quickly to just let you guys get a little sneak peek into what's going on with us and what will soon be available to you guys. And so it's really exciting. It's an exciting project. It's an exciting opportunity. So definitely stay tuned for additional details. As you can see the background behind me, like, what is this? Like, who wouldn't want to just have this environment, to wake up to this environment? And as I'm sure you guys can hear, it's very peaceful out here. It's quiet. I don't know if you can hear like the birds chirping. Like, just listen for a minute. Like, what is this? Is it serenity? Is it peace? Okay. And so it's just a sneak peek as to what's going on soon. So definitely stay tuned and we will be back with additional videos and footage and let you guys know what exactly is going on. So stay tuned. See you guys then. Bye.